Our story begins in the African Republic of Zambia. In 1995, this landlocked nation was one of the lowest-ranked countries, but today Zambia is one of the most economically free nations in Africa. In just 15 years, this impoverished African nation has increased its economic freedom to a level comparable to Poland and France, opening doors for people like Sylvia Banda.
I started business at the age of 12. I was making fritters and I put them in the basket, take them to school. I sell them to my friends. It would make me very happy.
After working her way through college, Sylvia's first official business was to open a small, one-room restaurant.
I didn't have anyone to go around and tell the people that that particular day I was opening the restaurant. So I started frying onions, which I brought from home, the garlic and green pepper. And each time I fry, I will cover it. Then I put a bit of water, again I will cover it, I will allow the steam to come out, again I cover it until the whole place was covered with steam. Then I went to the windows, I opened, I went to the door, I opened, and I could see the steam rushing to go out. Very nice scent. Then 5-10 minutes later, people started coming. We have felt a very nice scent. At lunch hour, people started coming, and I was very, very happy. Then after some time, I saw that people were standing with their plates in their hands. Then I realized, I said, oh, I made a very big mistake. I had no tables and chairs.
Sylvia quickly realized there was more to running a restaurant than cooking food. But with no money, she had only her creativity.
So I went to my neighbor who was in carpentry. I said, Patrick, supposing I started giving you free meals, 3 every day. Says, in return, I said, in return, you make me 1 chair. So straight away we started the barter system.